Hello everyone. My name is Varshit, and today I'm checking out how the Uno platform works. I'm working on a challenge. So initially, I would like to take for the AI acceleration. So here we have to use Uno's platform MCP. So they provide two MCPs, I think local one and remote one. So I have already configured my VS Code. So let's get started with this one. So I'll create a demo project here. So I'm going to build a news application, like news aggregator thing. So let's use its own template. Uno provides its own platform templates. So I can click on here, next, and give me news aggregator. Yeah. So let me create. It will open one new page with all the templates available. So it will take some time, but yeah. So in this we can configure our own whatever platforms and whichever things we require and everything. So let me keep everything default. So no need to change anything for my use case. I'll click on create. And voila, yeah, this is our small application which is ready. So initially let's compile once. If we want, you can I'll compile it for desktop application or WebAssembly, both are fine. So let's wait for the initial build to complete. So in the meantime, I will also open the same project in VS Code. So what happens is I will use the MCP like chat from here. So I love this chat actually, so that's why we will go with this chat. So open recent. Okay, okay, open folder, and from here the news aggregator. I think it should be somewhere. Yeah, this one. This is a new project. Click on here, select folder, open. Yeah. So this is a new project what we have opened. So this is the initial project how it will look. So like example, if I click on worship, it will go to the second page. Yeah. So that's how it will work. So this is the initial template. So let me just apply the. So I already prepared a like prompt for this one. So I'll just show you what and all tools are available for me. So in this use case, I have Uno applied here. So I have both Uno platform agent rules and everything. I have configured everything. So I can just check in the MCP list servers. Yeah, I can start everything actually. Oh, server start, or else I can go with the MCP list. I can also go with the Uno app. I can also start this server. Yeah. So now if I go, I think the tools. Yeah. So these and all things are available for the this one our MCP. So let me just go and provide a prompt which I have prepared. Okay. Create a modern Uno platform UI for below. So it will take some time. So it will create one plan, the Copilot. So it's like bit bigger prompt which I have used in the previous project actually. So I will enable this one. Let's wait for it. Yeah. We have to provide some in this one tool access. Yeah, here you can see it will create the agent rule in it and everything. So I'll allow this. So it will create some rules and rules for how it should be working and everything. Those part. Yeah, so now it is starting with the task it will generate. So yeah, for me it has created 10 tasks. One, it will create the article data model, news categories, values, shell, XML, and main page and bookmark page. So let's wait and see how much time it will take. Okay, it will now ask for to run the task for build desktop. So let me allow it. So it will check for any errors in the build. So it will try to solve if some error comes. So normally, yeah, it will most of the time it will not work in the first attempt itself, but it will after one or two iteration it will resolve most of the errors and we will be able to run it. Okay. So now build desktop you can see here. Okay. So the build has been successful. You can see it here. So I think it has left with one task that is create detail page that was creating that one. So yeah, so that is done now. Most of the tasks are completed to do. So let's just keep it. It is adding that documentation, I guess. So let me just directly run it here actually. So until and unless that is going on there, right? The same thing actually. All the changes are done here also. So let me just run it here. Let's see. Oh, sorry. So after some tweaking into the UI and everything, so this is the final app. How this is how it should look. So I'm using Claude IQ as my model in my this GPT. So Copilot. So for the UI and everything, it is actually better. So I tried with multiple apps, like I created one coffee shop and everything. So that was actually very good. So we can go with it's taking some time, but okay, it's already user source. I need to check something. Okay, let me run for desktop then. Yeah. So these are the apps how it looks. So if I now like it, it doesn't show. If I go back here, so like the apps will be shown here. So this was also like I can think search also will work fine. Yeah, Bitcoin. Yeah, something like this. It will work almost fine. So no issues are there. So I can go with the health. We'll do the health related projects and everything. Yeah, this is how it should work. I wanted to showcase how I created the news app and everything. I will show you the whole redesign part. Yeah. So yeah, but again, we are creating the everything from only one, actually one scratch MCP, one scratch prompt what I had. Okay. Thank you. Thank you everyone.